already know that reconciliation is a must for filing a GST return accurately. But automation is the only way to perform an effective end-to-end reconciliation. And did you know that as per the recent changes in the law, submitting inaccurate invoice data can become so costly that you might even lose your GST registration? So today, let's see how you can avoid these costly errors and easily reconcile lakhs of invoices using automation. Hi folks, I'm Maishri from Clear, where we offer products to manage GST compliances for more than 3,000 enterprises. We create videos on tackling GST compliance for enterprises, so to keep yourself updated, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump straight into the case study featuring a leading MNC in automobile manufacturing. The client has more than 2,500 crore turnover and 4 GSTINs. This client used one of the big 4 services to perform invoice reconciliations and return filing. Due to the absence of automation from the service provider's end, the client was spending huge time in data massaging for ingesting it in the tool, and it turned out as a big challenge. However, the client needed massive support in performing regular reconciliations as it has massive annual sales and purchases invoice count of 6 lakh and 12 lakh respectively. In short, the predominant issues faced by the client was client's existing ERP lacked data mapping support for smooth ASP implementation. The client did not have technical and technological support from their current Big 4 service provider with respect to tax compliance. Absence of automation in data formatting led to issues in ingestion, reconciliation and return filing. There was a lower proportion of matched invoices between books and GSTR 2A. I hope you understood the difficulties faced by the client due to lack of technical support and automation. If yes, please write clear in the comments below. If not, please ask us your doubts in the comment section so that we can clarify them for you. So let's see how we fix these critical issues. Clear's dedicated technical and technological support, customized as per the client's needs, made the difference. Here's what we did. We provided technical support for transitioning the client's compliance to Clear using FTP integration. Our AI matching engine and custom logics built for the client drastically increased the invoice matching results. Also, we successfully integrated ERP for GST and e-way bill, leading to automation in tax compliance and ensuring 100% accuracy in the data reporting. As a result of this exercise, our client could reconcile 1 lakh invoices per month in just 4 hours with a matching rate of more than 90%. The client was able to reduce the man-hours spent on a monthly basis from 120 to just 4. This led to huge savings with respect to time spent on monthly reconciliation. Further, the client could smoothly and accurately comply on their own using Clear's compliance platform with minimal human intervention. So we hope this case study helped you understand how easily we can reconcile lack of invoices using the latest technologies. And if you'd like to perform a similar effective ITC matching, try Clear GST. Click on the link provided below in the description to request the demo. If you have any doubts about this topic, please mention them in the comment section so that we can clear your doubts. To subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.